Simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
Get a mixing bowl, put in 1 cup of self-raising flour, half a cup of sugar, 1 egg, half a cup of milk, 1/4 cup of oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of lemon extract, and just a little bit of food gel. How much is up to you, really depends on how yellow you want it. If you don't have food gel, food coloring will do. And just give it a good mix. Now get a little donut maker like this. If you don't have one, can't afford to buy one, you can pop these in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. Give it a little spray and pour it in. There we go. Oh yeah. Just put them on a baking tray or something, let them cool, and then we're going to make the frosting. Now get 3/4 cup of icing sugar, confectionery sugar, powdered sugar, same thing, different names. 1 tablespoon of milk. Now you may need to add a little bit more, but start with 1, and if you need a bit more, just add a little bit more. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of lemon extract and a little bit of food gel, yellow. If you don't have that, use food coloring, and mix it together. Now just dip straight in. Oh,